Grand Old Partisan celebrates more than 16 decades of Republican heroes and heroics. Today I highlight the first overseas trip by a president-elect. After winning the 1928 presidential election, Herbert Hoover planned a Goodwill tour of Latin America. His experience as Commerce Secretary had shown the importance of promoting foreign trade. Another motivation was lessening bitterness due to U.S. interventions. He and his wife departed Los Angeles aboard the battleship Maryland. Accompanying them were 12 staffers along with 28 reporters and photographers. Calvin Coolidge ordered Navy personnel to accord Hoover the respect as if he were already president. Disembarking at Honduras, the president-elect traveled to El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. He then crossed the Andes into Argentina. Local police stopped terrorists from blowing up his train. Next, he went to Uruguay and Brazil. Hoover delivered his final speech on December 23rd. The battleship Utah then conveyed him to Norfolk. Press coverage of this Latin American tour was universally positive. Back to basics for the Republican Party is my civil rights history of the GOP. To quote the book, "The more we Republicans know about the history of our party, the more the Democrats will worry about the future of theirs." For more information, see grandoldpartisan.com.